Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima, and in this video, which is very special to me, I'm going to make my own black Strat inspired by Mr. David Gilmour by installing EMG's DG20 special edition pre-wired pickguard and pickups in black and white into my Fender guitar. So stay tuned. This is my Winter 250's black Stratocaster, and this is EMG's DG20. I already introduced these two products in other videos. I put the link up in the corner. I'm going to start removing these screws to be able to remove the Fender pickguards and pickups altogether. I'm going to start here because I'm going to see if it has any effect on the bending near the bridge. I'm not going to change the strings, so next things I need to do is to loosen all 6 strings together to be able to removing this pickguard here. And last but not least is the input jack, because it is connected to pickguard. Remove the pickguard very carefully due to not damaging anything on the surface of the body of this guitar. You have to be patient and use your time. Well, as you can see, there is a black wire, which is basically the earth wire, which goes from through this hole to the back of the guitar. So I need to find out, should I cut it from here, from the pickguard, or should I cut it from the other side? Is it loose? Is it connected to anywhere? I have no idea. So we just left it alone right now, and I need to find my answer. But as input jack, you can see there is a black and white wires connected to it. I just need to find the right tool to cut them and then remove the input jack. Because EMG's DG20 come with its own input jack. So I remove the cover, and you can see there is a connection here. I think it's safe to cut the wire from the pickguard. Maybe I need this wire later. So I just cut it here. So Fender, Winter, pickguard and pickups are free to go, and one more time, I need to look at the back side of the guitar and try to take the earth wire out. And I'm just going to bend it like this and hold it in a safe place away from the springs and bridge tremolo system. Funny and true story is I was about to give up this project because I didn't have any tool to remove input jack until I found this. And this belongs to a furniture I purchased 2 years ago, and this fit exactly, so I was able to remove the input jack from Fender. Now I'm going to replace Fender's input jack with EMGs, and as you can see, it's pre-wired. The black and red pair is going to be connected to battery, and the rest is going to go through that hole inside the input jack cavity back to the cavity under the pickguard, so it can be connected to the EMG's pickguard. So now it's ready to get installed. If you watched EMG's DG20 unboxing video, you remember that I explained that we need to take a look at this instruction by EMG's. You need to read it carefully, but it's pretty easy. Basically, you need to connect these wires from the input jack to the pickguard, and also you need to connect the other pair, the black and red one, to the pickguard also. It's pretty obvious, it's pre-wired, and you need to just follow the color codes and you good to go. And I need to explain, I did the other pair off screen because it's a little bit challenging. The hole between these two cavities is very small, and it's a little bit lower on the input jack cavity side comparing to the cavity under the pickguard. I forgot that, but one tips is that to put the 1/4-inch jack first inside the new input jack and then tight the screws, because it's possible that these wires stay behind the input jack and it's going to be a problem and trouble. But luckily for me, it wasn't the case. And this is the pre-wired pickguard from EMG's, as I mentioned before, and you can see it here. It's pre-wired, and for new connections you have the color codes, red and black on the other side, and white, green for this side. Just follow the instruction and compare it to the pickguard. Oh, I almost forgot. When I installed Zach Wild set on my Gibson Les Paul Tribute EMGs 81 and 85, I explained that when you're going to connect any wires from EMGs, this golden side should be visible to you when you connect the wire to the board. Otherwise, you connect it wrong. So I just follow the color codes. The golden side is visible for me. I do the same with the green wire. And last but not least, the red and black pair, which is going to be connected to the battery. You can see it's pretty easy. You just connect them and slide them in. And we're almost done. I just need to replace EMG DG20s on the guitar. Before that, I need to test the sound. I don't have any amplifier, so I use my headphones. It worked perfectly. No issue with the input jack, and no issue with bending close to the bridge. It's 3-ply pickguard. You can see it's perfect. The only issue I have with this new pickguard is that there are more holes on the pickguard without any hole on the guitar. And especially this one under the pickup selector, it's over the cavity. I'm very happy, I'm very excited about this new guitar. As I mentioned, I have no idea what to do with this one, and I need to just drill 3 holes here to be able to put some screws, and it's almost finished. There are some new details which I'm going to do later. I don't know, maybe in future I put something that connect the bridge and neck pickup together. I have no idea what to do with it. So next thing to do is to adjust the pickups, which is the subject of another video. So thanks for watching this video. I'm pretty excited about this guitar. Smash the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and till the next time, take care.